Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about convergence and divergence. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use only limit comparison test. So now I will show you how to answer this one. So I will put about an. That's equals to this one. Next, I will put about bn. That's about 2 to the power of n over 3 to the power of n. And we know that this one in here is smaller than this one in here. Now we can use about the limit to do about comparison test. And we go about n will go to positive infinity. And I will put about an over bn. An, that's about this one. Bn, that's about this one. So we need to simplify and arrange, and you will got about 3 to the power of n over 3 to the power of n plus 1. Next, we divide both sides by 3 to the power of n on numerator and denominator. So this one you got about 1. 3 to the power of n divided by 3 to the power of n, you got about 1. 1 divided by 3 to the power of n. You will got like this. Now, when n go to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. And this one in here, you got about 1. Because you got the answer is about number 1 in the limit comparison test, and we say this is about convergence. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.